Hey everyone, if you're looking for a 2K home security camera, you've probably seen the Xiaomi C300 and the newer C301. They look almost identical and share the same 1266p resolution, but there are some critical differences. Today, we're putting them head to head and see which one earns a spot in your home. Let's compare. The first one, we're gonna compare the hardware and lens. The C300 features a high-end 6p lens with a large f/1.4 aperture, which is fantastic for pulling in light in dim rooms. While the C301 uses a 4p lens, while it still delivers a sharp 2K images, the C300 technically has the edge in raw lens quality and light intake during the day. Next, check the night vision tech. This is where the C301 might take the lead. The C300 is a classic, it has great low light color, but once it gets too dark, it switches to standard black and white infrared. While the C301 features a dual light system, it uses a hybrid of infrared and warm white LEDs that can trigger when it detects a human, giving you full color night vision even in total darkness. If seeing the color of a visitor's jacket at night matters to you, the C301 is the winner. And the next one is evaluate privacy features. Privacy is a huge deal in 2026, and the C301 introduces a physical solution. On the C301, you can activate physical lens blocking via the app. The lens actually rotates upward and hides inside the camera housing, so you know for a fact it isn't watching you. While the C300 relies on software-based sleep models, which are secure but don't give you that same visual peace of mind as a physical shield. The next one, smart detection and speed. Both cameras use AI human detection to filter out pets or swaying curtains. The C301 has a slightly upgraded onboard AI chip that processes human detection locally, meaning alerts often hit your phone a fraction of a second faster than the C300. Both support the Xiaomi Home app, 360-degree rotation, and two-way talk, so the user experience remains smooth on both models. The final verdict. So which one should you get? You might want to get the C300 if you can find it on sale and you mostly care about high-quality daytime recording and basic 2K monitoring. And you might want to get the C301 if you want that physical privacy shield and the ability to see full color at night. Both cameras are great values, but that C301 privacy flip is a game changer for living rooms. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.